Hello everyone, in this video we are going to make an audiobook using Python. We are creating this audiobook less than 15 lines of code. And most of audiobook providers currently available on the internet is too costly and most of people can't afford that. So let's make our own audiobook and listen to it. Let's get into this video. First of all, you need Python installed in your computer. So if you don't have, you have to install from python.org, and I am using the PyCharm IDE for making this project, and you have to download if you don't have already. Or you can use any other IDE like VS Code or Notepad++ or Sublime if you already know the basics of Python. So here in my blog you can find all codes are already written in my blog, so you just need to copy that. Before that we have to install a few dependencies for this project. So I am going to open my code editor and create a new project. I am going to name it as audiobook and click create. Just remove this, and we have to install two dependencies. We have to go to the terminal, or here you can see this, and we have to install the pypdf2 and the pyttx3. I am just copying pasting because I have to save lot of time for you. So now you have to copy the code from my blog. Okay, here I will explain what is happening here. We are importing the pypdf2 and pyttx3. The pypdf2 is going to do the all part of related to the PDF file, that is getting the content from the PDF and doing those kind of stuff, and the pyttx3 is a audio driver, and it's converting the text to speech. So here you can see we have to give a PDF file, or you can name it whatever you want, and you have to get your PDF file. And here I have my PDF file. I am going to copy that. I'm going to copy that into this folder, the same folder, the audiobook, and here you can see the demo.pdf. I'm going to add the name here. When I click the run, the pypdf is get the PDF and it's extract its content, and the pyttx3 will read that for us.
Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to make an audiobook from PDF using Python. As we know, we have to pay a lot of money to buy an audiobook subscription online. Most of us can't able to afford that. So we can use this method to build an audiobook and listen to it.
So this is how it's work, and hope you like this tutorial. I will give the blog link in the video description and the first comment, so you can copy that from there. Hope you like this video. If you want to see more videos like this, and please make sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you are interested to watch how to download the complete Instagram profile information, including profile picture and all their posts, by using a few lines of code in Python, please check out this video. You can find that somewhere here, and we'll see you in the next one.